If you haven't been using Recut up to this point, it's time to get started. Recut is one of the best tools that I've ever found as a content creator to edit videos as quickly as possible. So whether you're using short form content like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or whether it's for long form content like this video, Recut is a game changer. So let me dive in and show you how it can help you change your business. So in this video, I'm going to give you a full tutorial and review of how to use Recut. It's been a game changer for me, and you're going to be amazed at how easy this is. Whether you're creating bulk content for shorts or just want to make your long form content better, Recut's going to be a great tool for you. So let's dive in and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So here we are in the software. I'm going to do a new project right up here. Going to grab a file and we're going to grab this one right here. Few things to notice here at the very beginning. You can do a clips or a segments. Segments is going to break up each of these into individual chunks, and then there's a cut tool. All that's not the most important parts. Right here, you're going to see the skip button. So if the skip button is on, it's going to go over all of these red parts. If it's off, it is going to watch the entire video. So let me show you the entire video first, just so you can see it in practice. This is about a 14-second video. Hey guys. In this video, I want to show you how you can edit your entire video in just a matter of seconds. Okay, let's watch the same video with the skip button on and our intensity up at the highest point. Hey guys, in this video, I want to show you how you can edit your entire video in just a matter of seconds. Okay, now for me, for this video, I'd make a couple quick edits. I'd click on these and just push the delete button. That's all I did there. I would then tighten this one. I think there's some background noise I have going on here because typically these would actually be tighter, but let's see, just a couple of these. You can also zoom in down here at the bottom. I'm just trying to do these really fast. Boom. So I think the video, let's try it. Hey guys, in this video, I want to show you how you can edit your entire video in just a matter of seconds. Boom. The entire thing is done. If I'm doing shorts, occasionally I might want some captions, and we'll talk about that in a second. But for the majority of my content, this video is ready to go, and it happened in less than 20, 30 seconds. Most of the time, I can just leave it on super and it's done. Occasionally, I'll do small little edits like that. And then you have a couple export options. So you can come over here, and if you are ready, the video is good to go, you want to export it, you can do a normal export and then send it. If it's a long form content, send it to something like YouTube. If it's short form, schedule it out for Reels or YouTube Shorts or whatever. There's also an option that you can actually export this timeline into your editing software. So my favorite is Capcut. If you want to learn more about Capcut, you can join the Online Business Academy. There's a link down below. We have courses about Amazon FBA, influencer affiliate marketing, but we also have a course on how to drive traffic. And inside of this, I did a video on this software because, again, I've been so amazed by it. But I also did one on editing videos with Capcut. So if you want to learn how to, once you've transported over, to clean up your audio, to clean up your the image itself, the video itself, if you want to add captions, if you want to use templates for captions, all of that can be found inside the Online Business Academy. That link's down below. But you can export it to anything. So I used to use Premiere Pro. CapCut's just so easy and it's connected to so many things that's made my process faster, which nowadays is what I care about maybe more than anything. So you can put it straight in. Now I'm going to come back and talk about a little more of the details in Recut here in a few minutes. But first, I want to show you guys, here is the actual page. This link is down below. If you use that link, it also provides you a $10 off coupon for the software. So I reached out to the guy who owns it, and he was really kind to be willing to do that for all of y'all. So you can see here, it's not just the clips, and I think this is important to note. It's not just these individual clips that are getting sent into your editing software. It is, in fact, the entire timeline. That's really important because if you get in there and say, oh, I don't like this cut, I actually want it to be farther out here, you're able to do that in your editing software. But this is just a page that gives the details about it, so it removes the silence. Here are just a couple of the softwares that it's connected to. Let's watch just a small little clip of the founder of this software talk about it.
Recut helps you remove pauses and save a ton of time on editing. So I'm leaving some awkward pauses and mistakes so we can see how Recut edits it down. So all we have to do is drag in the file, and Recut's going to find the silence, red parts on the timeline here, and we can just listen back. Recut helps you remove pauses and save a ton of time on editing. So I'm leaving some awkward pauses and mistakes so we can see how Recut edits it down.
So you can see how clean that is. You're welcome to go watch the entire video yourself later. But you can see how simple it is to stick it in and then Recut just do the work for you. There are a lot of options when it comes to purchasing. There's a trial so you can test this on your own 5 times, no watermark, just to see if you like it or not. You can do a monthly subscription, a yearly, or what I did was buy it once. And this price will continue to go up as it gets more reviews and more people hear about it. But I liked the buy once because I do so much content. 119 was a really good deal for me because I know I'll be using this for a long time. So highly recommend picking this up. You can go through the rest of this page. All of that is down in the description, some testimonials, some other stuff that gets addressed down here, some FAQs, and all of that. So make sure to go and check that out. Let's talk about a few more pieces that I've noticed here on it. So you have your clip. So this comes in handy occasionally as I am filming, especially more long form content. Maybe you make a couple mistakes. So let's say, this is a really short video, so it's kind of hard to... Hey guys, in this video, I want to show you how you can edit your entire video in just a matter of seconds. So if I wanted to, it doesn't really make sense in this video, but one of the things that's been very, very helpful with this is I can just be recording something. And then if I make a mistake, I don't feel like I have to turn it off, or I don't feel like it's going to be a massive headache if I just keep fixing it or keep redoing it over and over. I'll redo it. And let's say I have 5 minutes where I just couldn't get this line said the way I wanted to. I could come in here from me on a Mac, Command B, and I just created a cut. You can also just push the button and then delete that. And it's literally simply because we're in the segments, I can literally just click and delete. So you can see it's a matter of seconds. It made the cut, and then it makes it very, very easy to just clip out. So that's very easy. Let's say if all of this was me misspeaking, all of it was wrong, and finally I got to the part that I want to, Control B, boom, the whole thing is gone. So that's just, again, something that Recut is doing so well to save you time. And yeah, that's the software. It's very simple, it's very fast, and it's going to save you a lot of time. So make sure to go check out this page. That link is down below. We'd also love to have you inside the Online Business Academy, where I teach multiple courses, but also teach how to drive traffic using things like Recut, using things like Capcut, scheduling that out to multiple things. We're actually about to add a section as well on AI. So if you're struggling to get enough content on platforms every day, I've actually started using some automations that really, really help me on that front as well. All that being said, I hope this video on Recut was helpful, and I hope to see you inside the Online Business Academy very, very soon. Make sure to subscribe because I've got a lot of content coming your way that I believe is going to be a massive help for you.